Hello students, welcome to Sem 6. Today we are going to start with module 1 of semester 6. In semester 6 there are 6 modules in your curriculum, that is cost control accounts, second module is contract costing, third module is process costing, fourth module is introduction to standard costing, fifth module is introduction to marginal costing, and sixth module is some emerging cost concept in the recent trends. So today is our first lecture for the first module of semester 6. So let us start with that. First module of semester 6, that is cost control accounts related to non-integrated system of the accounting system. So today we are going to start with some basic requirements and some basic information about cost control account. So today we are talking about non-integrated system in cost accounting and non-integrated system. So there are two systems of cost accounting, one is integrated and second one is non-integrated. What is integrated system? When there are no separate set of accounts are prepared, only one set of accounts are prepared for recording the transaction of financial records and cost record, that system is known as integrated system. But when two separate set of accounts are prepared for keeping the records of financial account and cost account, that system is known as non-integrated system. So there are two systems of cost accounting, integrated and non-integrated system. Integrated system is a system in which the financial and cost accounts are integrated. Integrated means आप जब फाइनेंशियल अकाउंट्स और कॉस्ट अकाउंट्स के सिस्टम को इंटीग्रेट कर देते हो यानी कंबाइंड कर देते हो टू एंश्योर दैट ऑल रेलेवेंट एक्सपेंडिचर इज एब्जॉर्ब इनटू द कॉस्ट अकाउंट. ओके, जहां पर दो अलग अलग बुक्स मेंटेन ना कर एक ही बुक्स मेंटेन की जाती है जिसमें फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग भी की जाती है और कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग को भी फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग के साथ क्लब कर लिया जाता है. दैट सिस्टम इज नोन एज इंटीग्रेटेड सिस्टम. बट नॉन इंटीग्रेटेड सिस्टम इज अ सिस्टम इन विच फाइनेंशियल एंड कॉस्ट अकाउंट्स आर सेपरेटेड, यानी दोनों को अलग अलग कर दिया जाता है, एंड इंटरलॉक यानी दोनों के बीच में इंटरलॉकिंग का सिस्टम कौन होता है? कंट्रोल अकाउंट्स. सो नॉन अकाउंट इंटीग्रेटेड सिस्टम इज अ इंटरलॉकिंग सिस्टम बिटवीन financial records and cost records. In non-integrated system, two separate set of accounts are maintained by the use of control account. So keep watching our upcoming sessions. Thank you so much.